Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we will see some common errors that we get whenever we import products in Dynamics 365. Let's say this is my product list. We have product name here, LED1, LED2 and all that, up to 14 products. And here I have product ID, and here I have unit group, and here I have default unit and the decimal supported. Let me check this unit group exists or not. I will go to Dynamics and I will go to the app settings and I will go to default. I will go to the unit group. Now here you can see the unit group is there. Now the unit group name is LED. So I have given a unit group LED because it actually resolves by name whenever you import Excel sheets or CSV files into Dynamics. It actually resolve the record through names because you don't have the primary key or GUID with you while import. Like that, I want to check if this piece default unit is there in that unit group or not. I will open this. I can see that if you go unit, I can see that piece is existing. Now I'm expecting that this will work fine. Decimal support 2 and product ID is same. So I am thinking that everything is looks good to me and it should be created. Now let us see how it works. Let me save this as CSV file. I will change this to CSV command limited file and save to my desktop. I will go to advanced settings and go to data imports. Here I want to import the product CSV file that I have saved. So I will just click on import data, choose that CSV file that I have just saved on the desktop. So till now I don't find any issue in this Excel sheet, right, in this CSV file. So once I will import, we will check if there is any error or not. Then if there is any error, then we will troubleshoot. So we will choose the file. So this is my file product.csv. Click next. As soon as I will click next, it will tell you to provide, it will tell you whether it is product CSV or not. Click next, and here you have to choose the default mappings because the system is trying to map your Excel sheet data columns with Dynamics product data columns. So click on next. Once you click next, here you can map. This is your Excel sheet whose name is products, but you have to choose which Dynamics entity you want to import. The Dynamics entity is product. So I can choose product here. Now it is mapped. I will click next. Now you have to map your Excel sheet columns with Dynamics product entity column. So it is automatically mapped. If it is not mapped, you have to choose. So decimal supported should be mapped with decimal supported, default unit, name, product, right? So these are all mapped. Now unit group is also mapped here, right? And product structure and taxable, I don't want. Click next. Some required fields are not mapped. This might result some records not being imported. If you want to use product structure, you can use that. Otherwise, you can keep it blank. Click next, click OK, and click next. Then it will give you whether you want to allow duplicate or not. I don't want to duplicate. Click submit. Now here, if you click finish, a import job will be queued here, and it will try to process all of your records and try to create the products one by one. And if there is any failure, it will display here, and the status of the import will display in this status region. Now total processed record, let me refresh this. Now it is showing total processed record 14. Now it is trying to parsing the records. Keep refreshing. Now it will parse one by one record and try to create the product record in the system. So try refreshing. Now till till now I have designed this Excel sheet, I don't have any problem. I'm thinking that everything will work fine, import successfully. But let us keep on refreshing. It is now status is transforming, then it will try to import the records. So total records to be processed is 14. So it is trying to process. If there is any error on the record items, it will display here, or in the failure in success. So all these three things will be used for processing records. It is still transforming. So keep refreshing. It is trying to create records. Now whenever it is trying to import, see the status is importing. Now you should get errors or success, whatever. Can you see that? The errors. Total process record 14 and errors are 14. Now what is this error? Why this error is triggering? Now double click this record to see all the error details. I didn't find any issue here in this sheet. I have identified default unit was there, unit group was there, but still it didn't import it. So go to failure. Here we will see the failure information, right? It is saying the unit does not exist in the specified unit schedule, right? And the default unit is not a member of the specified unit group. So I can go here, I can check that a speech is there. If PIECE is not there, you can go there and check if this unit group is there or not. I can go here, I can check unit group is there, LED is there, right? And PIEC is there, right? That means I have no problem. This is my unit, and this is the piece, and this is the unit schedule. Now what the error is telling? The unit does not exist in the specified unit schedule, right? So we are passing LED and piece, but it's still trying to tell that the default unit is not a member of the specified unit group, right? That means there might be some issue with the unit that we have added. Let me change that unit for the time being. So this is my unit. Now I can go here and change LED piece, okay, and I will save it. So I have changed the unit, the default unit of this unit group. So this is the primary unit, and this is the default unit, right? So I can go here and change LED piece. So I can just copy paste for everything. Yeah, it is copied. Now I will save it. Now I will again re-import. So let us see this time if I am having the error or not. I will go to here and try to import again. Next, same way we have to follow. Click on default mapping. This will be product. Next. So here I have to choose decimal supported. Then default unit is the default unit, and name is the name, product is product, and the unit group is the unit group we have to assign. So taxable and product structure, I don't want to give these values, and click next. Now click next. Now submit and finish. Now again another record will be created in the import. Try refreshing. Now this time you can see all records are success, right? If I will go here and try to check my products are added right now. If I'll go here and click on all products or all products, and I will go to see all products are created. Why this is created, that is a point to understand. The point here is why I have changed that unit group, right? Let us go here and check that unit group. If I will go to this unit group, previously there was a LCD unit group and LED unit group. If you click on this LCD unit group, if you check this unit, the primary unit name was piece. And also if you will go to this LED and go to related units, you see that this was previously PIECE piece, the same unit that we have added for LCD. Now whenever there will be same name units in two different unit groups, this will cause error, right? This error will throw. That's why you always understand that whenever you configure unit groups and unit, make the units inside that unit group unique, so that whenever you import products there will be no error, right? So this is a very common error that we get in every product import in every company, right? So I hope it will help you uh, to import products without any issue. Thank you. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe